What's up, YouTube? It's your boy DG, coming with another Fieldhousefades production. And as you can see, I'm chopping down the hot top, trying to get these waves back swimming. You know what I'm saying? Ocean water swim time. And we all know ladies love the waves. As you can see, my hair was straight and there was zero waves. And your boy went to straight swimming. You know what I mean? Super wavy. Took me about 2 weeks, about a week and a half. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by chopping it down to about a 1.5, between a 1.5 and a 2. I got a 1 on there, but it's open, so it's about a 1.5. And as you can see, the waves are swimming. Video coming soon on how to get these waves. You saw how my hair was before, straight, just nothing. And now your boy's swimming. You know what I mean? Alright, now to the fade. You want to start out with I just like to kind of zero it out with my masters. Just starting that line, creating that line of scrimmage, so that you got it all zeroed out. So once you fade it, and I do the same thing in the back. And I know it's kind of hard to see, bad angles, but it's kind of angled down on the side as closer you get to my ears to create the illusion of a long edge up along the sides of the fade. Alright, now I got my masters open. I'm kind of going up a little bit more to create a little blurriness between the two guidelines so that the fade is crispy around that area. Alright, now I got my zero on and it's open, and I'm just kind of going against the grain, knocking out the next layer of hair. And a lot of this is just detailing, kind of barber's discretion on kind of how I want it to look. Alright, now I got the 1 guard on, and I'm going to open that up as well and just hit the next layer a little higher than I did with the 0 open, just to make that fade just blend in a little better. As you can see, it's kind of blended. Alright, now I'm going to take that same 1 guard and go with the grain. It's kind of hard to cut waves when they're going into your fade, so you kind of got to go with the grain. Alright, now I'm just detailing, just kind of hitting areas that's not completely faded, eliminating weight, increasing the blurriness to make the fade just come in a lot smoother. So you see, I'm kind of hitting different lines, making sure it's completely blurry, and I'm playing with the lever on the Andis Masters to hit different levels. Alright, to give you a clear picture of the back, you can see it's completely faded, nice and blurry, completely faded out. Now it's time to edge up. Alright, after I edge it up, just kind of go back in and hit some minor spots, even the fade out. And as you can see, man, my beard is rough. I hadn't even hit that at all. I'm just kind of letting that go. But yeah, here's the final fade. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. My subscription game is weak right now, man. Help me out. Help me out, man. But yeah, man, y'all have a blessed one. Thank you.